Yo. This is a whole new setup. Can you hear me? I don't even know if I'm like live. Um, Good morning. I'm trying to figure out. I'm trying to figure out settings on this shit. Um, so you guys can hear me? Can you see me? I don't know if you can see me or not. Okay, this is working. All right, I'm just trying to figure out. I'm trying to figure out a couple things on the settings here, and it's pretty cool. Good morning, Jim. Okay. Money this morning and did not. I should have lost. I should have lost a good amount of money this morning. Like I should have been down. Man, I should have been down a lot of money this morning. Uh, and I wasn't. I'm trying to figure out. I'm gonna try it right now. Okay, I shrank the latency so everybody can see. It's not delayed like yesterday anymore. Come on, baby, push it, push it. Need you to go up. Come on, let, come on, push it right there. Just bing, boom, boom. Come on. Damn, man. I'm still playing with all the settings and whatnot. So I'm playing with the settings and trading for just another probably 5 minutes. I'm trying to get it to run smooth because I got a couple notifications. I got a couple notifications about shit. and I'm just I'm trying to make it run as smooth as possible. Massive dump. Pretty big dump. But yeah, I mean, overall, I'm up. I'm up a bunch. Dude, I got so lucky. I got so lucky. Both my morning trades lost, but I ended up making money because my copy trader had an alert. I got a ton of errors. So when I get a ton of errors, I just kind of sell out. So I flattened out, and when I flattened out, I was up. I was up a good amount when I flattened out, and um, it just worked out. So I got super super lucky. Um, you know, this was a great short if you were in. You know what I think it is? The stream just took a couple minutes to get going. Yo, it was so easy, DW. You just had a hold. You just had a hold. How easy is that? You got a pivot point at 156, by the way. Maybe we bounce off that. But yeah. Not only was I up there, but all of these accounts, which should have been down 300 and something dollars, are all up. I'm almost at a payout here. I'm less than 600 bucks away from a payout. I will say the fact that my opening trade sucked today and I made it out alive, the odds of them hitting tomorrow are super high. So I feel kind of good. Yo, 210 is good. I take 210 in my funded accounts. I'm just watching to take this back up. I'll take another shot here if it presents itself, I'll definitely take another shot. I might buy 3 threes is what I probably do. Why are we? I mean, we're not really. We're down a 0.5%. I wouldn't say we're really dumping. I think it has one more drop down to like 56. 56 would be cool. One more flash down. one more flash and bounce off the old pivot point. In an eval. I'm going to take it blindly without confirmation in an eval. I'm just letting you know. The fuck? Damn, this thing this thing's fucking cruising. Woo! This thing's cruising. Let's see what happens. That's kind of what I wanted though. One last big freaking candle to the downside. Pivot point. I figured my PA problem. What was the PA problem? Guys, consistency rule for Apex. No, it's 40%. So you can make, oh no, it's 30%. You can make like $800 a day, Maria. Yeah, Nathan. Yeah, you can make like 800 bucks a day. It's 30, whatever 30% of 2,600 is. So what is that? About 800 bucks. Oh, I mean, I've been there, so I know the feeling. Yeah, so you can do seven. If you do more than 780, you just have to get more than $2,600. So it's not like you lose the account or anything. It's just, you know, it's just you got to earn more. Come on, baby. Yo, all good, all good. That's what I'm here for. I want to see you get a payout though. I want to see them payouts. I want to see payouts. I am so close to payouts. I am close to two payouts right now. A $2,000 one and 500, and I'm hoping to do it by tomorrow or the next day. My stream is not FHD. What's FHD? What's FHD? Full HD? What? I'm just curious because I don't know. I'm brand new on this software. What? How do you know it's not 1080p? because I look freaking clean. Are you talking about the text below? If you're talking about the text below, I can't. I was trying to make it clean. It's inside the software. If that's what you're talking about. Are you shitting me? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to switch. I don't know. It looks 1080p to me, but I'm not opposed to rebuying this. Just an FYI. That's why I got rid of a third right here to just lock in some gains so I can take the shot and it takes, you lock in 60 bucks of gains, it offsets a lot. I did not catch it going down. I'm watching it right now though because it's literally still holding the it's holding the pivot point and the fair value gap inversion. So I still like it. I'm just watching it. My stop out would be like 49. But see how I just clipped that? That's like a quick 40 bucks. It just kind of takes the edge off of um any of this shit. And we'll just see what happens. I literally just woke and took a look at the charts. I wanted to kick myself in. Yeah, I mean, it looked good. It looked good. Not going to say it didn't. I just, I played it for a very little gain. I'll put it like that. I played it for such a small gain, it's not even worth talking about. Come on, baby. Slam it. Let's go. You know what we need right here? That's what we need. Come on, baby. All right. I'm out a little bit. I'm going to ride this last 3 to wherever it goes. Just throwing it out there. Wherever it goes, I'm not. I would say we're at least going to 207. The only thing that worries me, obviously, is whole numbers. So as we get close to 200, I get nervous. So, you know, this is the last piece I'm holding, though. Come on. Give it to us. Give me the big one. What I really want to do is this candle go big up to here, and I move my stop up to like 85 or something, where I can lock in 100 in each account. We still got juice left on stochastics for a big push up. Get over 88. Come on. Woo, come on, baby. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Come on. Fuck. I'm out. It actually just inverted to the downside on the 32nd. You're holding it? It just doesn't fit my criteria currently. On the one, it's gonna recheck here. Um, I'm watching it. I'm definitely watching it because if we come back down to 53 and then we go back up and invert on the 32nd, I'll jump back in. I'm on the 1 minute, it's still in play, which is the one that I go off of for continuation, but on the 32nd I go for entries. So I'm just watching it. I got stopped out, but I mean this thing's got to hold 50. A close below 50, it's voided out. See, now I'm back interested. That was fucking awesome. Turn this shit show around here. This is my biggest worry. That was my biggest worry is you hit the 34 and the 200 right at the same spot. I want to see if it comes back down and holds 85. Where are we gonna pop on through? Yo, Sean, look at what I got now. Look at what I got now. Oh, hold on one second. Yo, we got gifts. We got gifts. Dude, there's a bunch of them too. I'm not buying up here. Um, I want to just see it come back down just a little bit. We hit that freaking 200, that whole number resistance 34. They pulling it back. Dude, I may not fucking. This is as risky as it gets. This is not. This is not a good trade. I want to see us get out of this zone. I'm going to move up to break even as fast as possible. This is a break even as fast as humanly possible. Straight up. No, told you. I fucking knew that. Such a bad idea. Even if I get out of this, it's such a bad idea. It really was. I'm just out. I'm out. Such a bad idea. I was in so much lower. I traded it a bunch. It's just not what I want to be in. I gotta figure out how I can. I'm curious, real quick, how I can fucking mute if I need to mute. I don't know how to do that on this thing. They don't have like a. I don't have a thingy. I mean, GDP is down. I mean, there's a bunch of stuff. What up, Rick? There's a bunch of stuff that's not going great, but yet, you know, a bunch of stuff that's not good, but we're still going up. So you just play what's given. It's the only thing you can do, right? Just play what's given to you. Boom, 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 boom. I want to see this stochastics come down and we kind of consolidate right here for a little bit. And then I would say we're going up. But then GDP came up. I I don't know. It was all the numbers are fucking. I don't know. It's not great. It feels like we're gonna grind up. I'm just taking a small little fucking stab. What's crazy is Amazon's green. Yeah, they stopped that back in 2020. Stopped calling that a recession. So jobs numbers, I believe, are like a rolling 6 months. So jobs data is not. I don't know. It's all fucking. It's all a mishmash. What is jobs on Thursday? I mean, I don't know what's gonna happen here. I do know that if we go to tariff war with fucking China, we're in. I fucking knew I shouldn't have done that from the second I bought this one. Um, from the second I bought this one, I knew I shouldn't have done it. Just couldn't fucking help myself. I mean, I thought we were going back to at least up here. Yo, Josh, you see Lemonade? Did you see their earnings by any chance? Dude, the growth is so ridiculously big. Dude, it was up 30% at one point. Um, it's up 26 now, but the earnings growth is like is ridiculous. Like ridiculous, ridiculous. Like take a look at it. The what do you call it? Their costs are going way down. Dude, it's let me see if I can find it. So I was reading about it. I was reading over the earnings and somebody posted a freaking great chart. Yeah, have you ever seen a company grow 80%, 800,000 customers with operating expenses decreasing? Everybody's going to jump on board. I think it's going to be the, I think it's going to be the next, like, quote, runner or whatnot. I mean, it's up, but it's not like it was in the low 40s not too long ago. So we have we haven't like expanded out of the zone yet. I sold some. I sold like 44s for this week. Um, I sold 44s for this week, and it was just like, if we get down to 44, I think I sold them for like $1 or something. So what did I sell? Yeah, 44s for like a buck, or like 75 cents. So basically, you're getting at 43 and a quarter. I was like, listen, if it goes back to 43 and a quarter, I'm in. So it is what it is. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my god, this thing just fucking ripped it. I didn't. I didn't even look at it. I have not looked at those yet. Yo, what up, Ray? What up? What up? Yeah, I haven't looked at those at all. I gotta check it out. I mean, all the stuff I'm in, I'm happy where I'm at. You got 0 days for, I'm guessing, SPX. Dude, did you see that Sanglucci? I saw a video. He made 1.6 million on Liberation Day. He put it out. Shit was wild. Wild, wild. He bought like 2 day out. I don't I don't love this for the pure fact of, it's just kind of like megaphoning here, where I think we drop out of the bottom. We'll see what happens. Come on, baby. Yo, is anybody else see that this is not in full HD by any chance? Anybody see that this is not in full HD? Oh, it's fucking not in full HD. How do I turn this into full fucking HD? Dude, I'm trying to do they won't let me edit it while we're fucking streaming. Interesting. Interesting, interesting, interesting. They keep buying it. Keep buying it. I think it eventually just drops. Yo, it looks cleaner like this, but I need to do I need to adjust it so it's 1080p. So like I was gonna stream through lunch today, but I need to shut it down and get it to 1080p. Oh, I just leave that up. It's up. You just click it off. I'm wondering what people like better though. Dude, everybody seems to like this one better. I guess it's cleaner. You have a question. Home complete, talk about it, be about it. What is your question? I am here. What's the question? It's big enough. 8 inches. Yeah. Oh man. What are we talking about? What's the question? Dude, somebody else asked me this recently. So the short answer is yes, as long as whatever you have synced with TradingView is also on your NinjaTrader. You would basically trade on TradingView. It would transfer to, you'd have it in NinjaTrader also. The account that you're trading in TradingView, in your Replicanto, you'd set as the lead account, and then you would set all the other accounts under it. Yeah, that's how you would go about it. So as long as whatever account you're trading in TradingView is also in yeah. The biggest thing to all of it is that the account, wherever you trade, is that the account is in NinjaTrader to set as the lead account. Like all these accounts are NinjaTrader, but I'm trading them on TradingView. How do I get the current price line to show on my charts? All right, hold on one second. Just bear with me 2 seconds. Daddy's got to fucking make some quick money here. All right, hold on. I just fucking banged that in another funded account also. All right. How do I get the current price? Um, how do I get the current price to show on your chart? So basically, you go to chart, configure chart settings, and then you go price levels, last trade, high, low. I have all these on current position. It's all in here. You basically set everything's in chart settings. I think it's the last trade that does it. Is it price line? I don't even know if I saw that. Did I? Yeah. So it's this one right here. It's the last trade price. Last trade price. Gotta have it. We're on the same platform. This is web based. So if you're on TradingView, it's the same TradingView that I have. It's not like a different version or anything. We're all using the same TradingView. Algo and gold is real tight. I can't trade gold right now, PG. Feel like I get smoked. I get smoked. I gotta watch a video at lunchtime on how to make this in full HD. Just what I want to be doing. Just what I want to be doing. Let me fix this so you can see my values. By the way, Take Profit Trader expires, I think, today or tomorrow. If you haven't already, can I do this? Can I click on this? What happens if I click on this? Absolutely nothing happens. Why do I have the three things? Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, 40% off, zero activation fee. Your money back if you get a payout. All ends today, I believe. I'm just looking at my account. Dude, because you're using Trading Pleb. Yo, Dell, because you're using Trading Pube. You got to use Replicanto. Trading Pube doesn't work. Oh, shit. I actually don't know. I'm just messing around. But if Sean uses it, it probably works. Yo, Sean's like, finally, someone else bought it, so I don't have to be the only guy that it doesn't work for. He's like, got him! Dude, this looks like we're gonna freaking dump. We're just looking. Got him. Yo, what up, Lee? I love that freaking meme. Ha, got him. Dude, I should have put that guy on the stream. I got some other good ones. Let me see. What other gifts? I didn't load up a lot. I got the money. the guy banging on the computer. Let's see what else I got. I got the Tony Stark. Oh, this looks like it's. If we can get below 55, I wonder if they break through 39. If they just unload it, just give it an unloading. Boom, 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 boom. I'm just thinking if we lose the pivot point, we go back down to like 47 here. This is risky as shit, obviously. I don't love shorting. In general, I don't like shorting. I just feel like I'm not that good at shorting. All right. I'm going to try something here, by the way. This actually wasn't supposed to be in. I don't want to copy trade this trade. I want to do it in this account. If this ends up going over here, and what's crazy is if we go below here, it's only this account, by the way. It's only that account. It's a one account thing. I'm kind of forward testing something. I'm just kind of forward testing something. So if I get stopped out, it's actually going to push me in long. We'll see what happens. Dude, it's not only the market only goes up. I just, for whatever reason, I'm just
Order rejected.
What the fuck? If I get swept out and then it goes down, this is the second time today that this setup happened and I got fucking taken out of it. That's crazy. That it was just a small sweep out. That's actually what happened on the short up here. I got a small sweep out right here, and then I got this whole short that I would have gotten if I followed the thing. But anyways, that would be crazy if that happens. That would be the fucking second time that this happened today. This is not a bias thing. This is, I'm literally just testing something out that I've back tested. I just blew an eval that I was fucking dicking around with. It had like $400 of drawdown. I got a bunch of these little fucking accounts I was telling you about yesterday that I'm just clearing out. So this is in at 80, 27. In theory, yeah. What's the name of the Indo or signal? I'm back. I don't want to throw it out there. People be fucking trying it out. Like, I will throw it out there once it's profitable. This would be the second time today is not profitable. So there's no reason to even throw it out there. This is the second time today that it's happened, that it's not profitable. By the way, your platform messages, what messages? What platform messages are you getting that are loud? Look at that. This is the same shit that happened before. I got swept out up here, and then the move was really to the down. Order not filled. I try to turn off all those messages, so I don't know. You shouldn't get any of them going forward. I've gotten no messages that said order not filled or order filled. That's on you. Yeah, no one's asking. No one. I haven't gotten any of those messages. You heard it too. All I heard was a bing. I'm just trying to think what would cause that. I don't know what would cause that. Second fucking time. I am done and I'm rearranging. Let's see what happens tomorrow. We came up, we tested the 3 minute fair value gap, rejected, and I want to see continuation to the downside. That's where I'm at with this. Yeah, I mean, if you know to stay out, Monet, then that's even better. I'm with you, Josh. I mean, I would love to see us come back to all the way down, but see, as long as we stay under this purple line, I like it. I do not want to close above that purple line. I want to see continuation to the downside after. Ugh, I'm going to get fucking stopped. We just went above this candle. That is not what I love to see. Come on. Fucking push it down, man. I do not want to see that again. If we do, I'll be out. I want to see continuation. I want to see under 36. Get down to 22 land. Come on, you've wicked up 3 times. Give us the fucking push now. If we get the push to 24, I'm going to go to break even. Or I might take 100. I don't know. Dude, I'm at break even. I'm taking a fucking. I just took $72. This thing's not giving me the momentum I want. And I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. What it looks like shit. The one thing I don't like is that we just swept these lows. And if we hold here, it's definitely going to get pushed up. You know, you might hit this 34, you might hit the 50, and then roll back down. But at that point, I would be stopped out. So I'm just playing probabilities. I take my money. We go down, we fucking go down. You know what I'm saying? If you held, you're up. You're up. Damn, my eyeballs are fucking burning. Burning, burning. Come on. Yeah, I mean, they're popping it back up. That was a good fucking pop. Are you taking this long, Knob? I am not personally going to take that long. It is not in my it is not my playbook to take that long. I don't know. It just didn't really come down that far. I'm just thinking. I'm thinking if I did take it long, I'd have a stop that was kind of close. Well, I'm getting teased right now. I don't love it. I'm just saying I scalped it, but I don't love it. I scalped it, but I definitely do not love it. Just throwing it out there. It was an easy momentum scalp, I thought, but I don't love it. There's things that I'll do to make, 30 bucks, 40 bucks to just kind of, erase some of the losses, but that's not one I want to hold. You've wicked one, two, three times in this zone, right? So this is a zone we've wicked three times in. So once you wick back in, like I'm not loving that. Also, we didn't really drop. Like I want to see more of a. I want to see us lower to come back up, not this. I don't know. It's kind of a sloppy bottom, and I'm not really looking for that. I'm looking for more of a V shape like this. This is my speed right here. Down hard, come back, consolidate, push out. This is down hard, come back, and then we roll back over a little bit. Could it go? Yeah, it could definitely still go. It's just something that I'm not like, I don't love it. And watch, this is the one that goes, all the way back up to the fucking moon. But, you know, I'm one red candle away from hating it. We come one red candle down here, and I would hate it. I don't know. I'm just talking about my thoughts. I don't know if that helps anybody out, but these are just my thoughts. Joom here. This is all the stuff that I'm thinking about when I'm trading and looking to get in trades and setting up probabilities on what I want to do and just being where my accounts are at. I'm down $21 in the accounts I'm copy trading. Like, I don't need to make a trade here. And look, I'd be down right now. I would have gotten in and now I'd be hating it. I'd be down $100 and being like, oh no, no. So, just those are my thoughts. Do what you will. I'm wrong a lot. So, I'm having a good day though. I mean, you see this screen, it's not anything to write, massive, but we're up again over here. If I can turn this one green, that would be nice. I didn't even know I had an order still there. And then this is a funded account. I'm up in. This is a funded account. I'm up in. Actually, I brought this one back from the dead. And then we're up over here. Dude, I got so lucky today. It says negative because I blew 2 evals. That's not all I care about is these accounts. These are 4 funded accounts. So that's all I really care about. 2, 4, 6, funded accounts up $800 total, almost for a payout. And the rest of it's evals or whatever. Evals are shit until they're passed to me. What's up, Mr. Anderson? Yo, what up, and knew it? What up, what up? I changed the stream around a little bit. But now I need to make it HD. I need to make it full HD. So, yo, your pube works? Cool, man. I'm glad you got it to work. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, is Krupp Dog in the chat right now by any chance? Krupp Dog? Krupp Dog on Discord? Dude, I'll be honest with you. You could probably swing trade pretty good on like I would assume you could do some pretty good swing trades. Dude, they just doused this thing. Yeah, I don't know. I just feel like I just feel like you could easily start swing trading. What up, Merlin? Did I stack today? Bro, I got so fucking lucky. So there's two types of trades I do in the morning, Merlin. Both lost. I, it's so rare that they both lose the same day. But they both lost. But my copy trader fucked up and started giving me errors. So I exited out before I hit TP. And that's why my accounts are only up $80 here, you know, here, like it's not up over, 200-300. Because I pulled the ripcord early and ended up, I would have lost both my trades and all these accounts should be down $600. But they're not, which means when I do my statistics, if I avoid a loss and turn a loss to like a gain, the net profitability at the end of the month is drastically different. Instead of taking a 600, so if both of them hit, in theory, I should make 7.5. So technically, I should make 13.5 points if they both hit. And on the downside, I should lose 9. So you're basically risking 9 to make 13.5. It's basically a 1.5 R. Both of them haven't lost in the same day in a while. And the fact that I avoided that, I feel pretty good about tomorrow. I stacked mass profit in both my money funded future cores. Well, at least you took a payout, dude. As long as you take a payout that covers your costs, it sucks, but, at least you could say you got a payout from it. You know what I mean? I want to see if I can turn this to HD through this. I'm trying to see if I could turn this to HD. I'm trying to figure out. I do not know how I do it. I'm trying. I'm looking at it. Don't know how to do it. Yo, that's how you gotta do it. What up, Kinley? Gotta treat it like a business. That's the only way to trade, is treat it like a business. I mean, if you're not treating it like a business, you got a pretty big problem. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you're putting your hard-earned money on the line. You should be treating it like a business. And that's why I'm just not getting in stupid shit here and just waiting and be like, oh, I think it's gonna go up. I think it's gonna go up. I think it's gonna go down. Like, I'm just waiting. Let's just wait. I need to take one good trade here at the end of the day, and that's it. One good trade, and you know, you could be up a lot. I was gonna stream through lunch, but I want to try turning this to 1080p, and I can't do it while I'm on the stream. Yo, it's your birthday, Ray. Happy birthday! Yo, it's Sean's birthday this week too. Sean's birthday on Thursday. Shout out to Sean C. I don't know if he's probably not on here. He's got a bunch of stuff going on. On the 19th, the stream is better than before and in 1080p. Yeah, but I wonder if doesn't Google doesn't show it to as many people if it's not in 1080p. I have to get it in 1080p. So I'm just gonna play around. It looks better though. I guess you like it better like this, right? Seems like everybody likes it better. Except for the 9% that hit no. Who doesn't like it better, by the way? Anybody on here that hit no, why don't you like this one better? I want to know. 10% of the people click no. So I want to know why you don't like this one better. I'm not mad at you. I just want to know if I could change something that can make it better. Bro, I should wear like a tuxedo top and then stand up and I just got my boxers on. Yeah, I know I like it better, PG. I'm just if people have problems, I'm just what up, Rosales? If people have problems, I just want to you know, see what I could change on it. Yeah, I've been trying to play around with that. I ran out of time last night. I was fucking exhausted. It's in this text thing. It's in this text thing. If I do Google font, dude, I'm just trying to find one that's Oh, I was doing that before. You weren't on yet, Marie. If we come out of this to the upside, I might take it. Yo, you mean like this? Bing! Boom! Come on. Boom! Wait. Psh. Push it. Push it. And up we go! Let's go! I shouldn't have got out, honestly. I just fucking shouldn't have got out. Dude, need the balloon. Uh-oh. End of day. Come on, baby. Boom, 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 boom. Psh. I'm putting my stop in here. If I get stopped out now, I'm not re-entering, by the way. Yeah, it's lunchtime. High five, candles. Psh. Yo, the Jericho. Yo, I like this one better. I just got to get it to 1080p during lunchtime. That's so fucking funny. Yo, Giant Cove, baby. I gotta take the mushrooms. The like in Mario. Do. Yo, let's see if I can do it. Right? It's just woohoo! Boom! I think you can see this in balance right here, but it's lunchtime. Don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Uh, I'm just not that into lunch trading. Yo, I'm on a 70-inch TV. Yo, what's crazy is it's kind of 3D if you look at it. Like, what? I'm looking at you. It's definitely 3D. Why don't I trade at lunch? Because your portfolio could take a punch. Uh, I like to just, honestly, I like to just refresh, grab something to eat, um, just take a step back. I get back in like 30 minutes. So it's not like I take away. I just get a small little breather. You get a lot of fake breakouts during lunch also. So, there's a lot of reasons why I don't trade at lunch. Um, why ICT guys have like kill zones. It's just a lot of volume drops off during lunch. Like, look, this was a breakout candle, and then now it's just getting shit on. Not saying it can't go. I'm on OBS, but yeah, I like this better because I got gifts I can throw up now. Yo, this is what I did to the market today. Oh man. But yeah, I mean, this is honestly, this is a freaking chop zone. Like, you know, on the one, I kind of want to get away. I want to go lower to go higher, if that makes sense. I want to sweep down and then come through. The fact that like we swept the lows right here and then we got back in and we swept, like, it's just a lot of stuff that I don't personally look for. Like, I'm looking to sweep, come back through, and I'm not saying it can't work out. Obviously, it's working out, but you know, I'm just kind of playing what I like, the probabilities. Um, I'm not up huge, but one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. That's $640 in PA accounts, plus another $700 in PA accounts. 900, and then I stack the let's see what I don't even know what I'm at for PA accounts. 900, and then it's 2, 4, 6, 8. That's 1,700 in PA accounts, and then I got a couple PA accounts over here that are up $129. So I don't know. I'm up $2,000 in PA accounts. I don't feel like I need to do anything today. Nah, CT, they're still working on it. I have an offer. I have an offer that's their first offer. I think that we can make a deal with them, but it's not going to be as high as I want. And the other company says that they really want it. I'm having a lawyer just draft up a contract in Florida. It's super easy. So, I can just kind of change the name, and I'm just going to give the guy the contract. So we'll see what happens. But I'm going to take a step away. I want to turn this to 1080p. I was going to stream through. Tomorrow, I'll stream through lunch. I just want to get this looking as best as possible for everybody. What up, Black Beauty? Merlin, now to study going back to nursing school. I was going to make a Gregory Fokker joke, but I won't, man. I won't. I'm just messing with you. I'm messing with you. Good for you, man. Hopefully you make enough money you don't have to go back. But um, anyways, uh, I am. I'm gonna try turning this to 1080p, and I'll see you guys at 2:15. I just want to make this to look as best as possible for everybody. I think this is a big upgrade, and I'm gonna be in the Discord in about an hour. But if you want to support the stream, use code CoveTrader below. Actually, it's right there now. Look, it's so funny because it's backwards on my thing because I'm pointing to my left. It's backwards. Yeah. So I'll be back. Like I said, take profit trader 40% ends today or tomorrow. 40% no activation fee. I know someone's gonna fucking ask me at the end of the week, like, yo, is Take Profit Trader still offering 40% no activation fee and your eval money back? I'd be like, no, bro. No. Just like my funded futures, someone asked. Someone asked me about my funded futures deal. I was like, dude, I told everybody last week. Thanks, Monet. I'm trying to make it as best as possible. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to try turning it to 1080p, though. So I'm going to jump off. I'll see you guys at 2 p.m. And no matter what, somebody will win, not being me. But it was fun.